Dr. Neha Purohit, and I welcome you to yet another learning session for the course English for Personal and Professional Development. Today, we are going to look at a very powerful thing about your profession, which will help you get good jobs, which will help you go and face the recruiters well, and that is your CV and resume. Well, we have talked about CV and resume in our previous video also, but today we are going to look at a specific thing about it, and that is vocabulary for your CV and resume. So what are the learning objectives? Imagine that you collect 50 bottles of medicines and I ask you to read everything that is written on those bottles. You will notice after some time that there are certain expressions which are common to all bottles. कुछ एक expressions ऐसे हैं जो हर bottle पे आपको दिखेंगे. For example, keep out of the reach of children, store in a cooler place, etc. etc. Now what is this? This is the exact thing that a recruiter goes through. जब भी एक particular job के लिए advertisement आता है, people apply for the job through their CVs and resume, and unfortunately, a lot of CVs and resume contain the same kind of words, the same kind of monotonous expressions that drains out the energy of the recruiter. इस तरह के CV and resume recruiters को attract नहीं करते. The recruiters do not find any attraction towards those CV and resume, and they may create a bias against that candidate. Whereas in reality, वो candidate शायद उस CV में लिखे गए expression से ज़्यादा creative हो सकता है, ज़्यादा capable हो सकता है, but just because the candidate has not paid much attention on the expressions, the vocabulary written in his or her CV and resume, it is likely that he or she may not be called for the interview. So we are going to look at each and everything. In this particular learning session, we are going to look at the transition from how to what. Transition का मतलब है shift. In our previous session, we have learned how to make a resume. In today's video, we are going to talk about what to write in your resume. Why do we need? Then we are going to look at this aspect also. क्या ज़रूरत है हमें जब एक ready-made CV और resume available है? What is the need to add certain things from our side? Why do we need to focus so much on vocabulary and expressions? We are going to look for answers about these questions. Then we are going to look at words which are most preferred by professionals. ऐसे कौन से शब्द हैं जो most desired हैं? We are going to look at this. Then we are also going to look at synonyms to these desired attributes. आपका recruiter आप में कुछ specific qualities ढूंढ रहा है. It is very important that the recruiter is able to locate those qualities in your CV and resume. So we have to take care of this aspect very diligently. Now CV and resume, how and what. As I've told you, how deals with the structure of the CV. In our last video, we have discussed how to make a CV or resume. इसका मतलब है हमने डिस्कस किया था कि कितने सेगमेंट्स आपके CV और resume में हो सकते हैं, आप किस तरह से अपनी इंफॉर्मेशन को अरेंज करेंगे, टॉप पोर्शन में आप क्या लिखेंगे, मिडल में आप क्या इंफॉर्मेशन डालेंगे, बॉटम में आप क्या चीज़ें लिखेंगे, राइट? बट when we move on to the what aspect of it, we are going to focus on the content. आपने अपने CV and resume को various parts में divide कर लिया, आपने विभिन्न भागों में उसको बांट लिया, बट उन various parts में जो आप content लिख रहे हैं, that is equally important, rather more important than how you structure your CV and resume. So we are going to look at how and what about this. The second thing is if how deals with the structure, what deals with the content, and so our today's session will focus on these aspects. How and what के बाद आता है क्यों, क्या ज़रूरत है हमें अपने CV and resume को डेकोरेट करने की, अपने CV एंड रेज्यूमे में जो हमने एक्सप्रेशंस यूज़ करे हैं उनको ध्यानपूर्वक अरेंज करनी। देयर आर वेरियस रीजंस। सबसे पहला रीज़न है द बेस्ट रेज्यूमेज डू नॉट डिस्क्राइब यू, they describe the work that you have done. For every recruiter, for everybody who is going to pay you for this job, it is very important for this person to assess whether you are the right candidate. क्या आपको दी जाने वाली जिम्मेदारियों को आप अच्छी तरह से निर्वाह कर पाएंगे, ये देखना एक रिक्रूटर का काम है. So how is the recruiter going to do that? The recruiter will do that when your CV and resume presents certain facts. So that is why it is important to focus in what you have done rather than what kind of a person you are. Secondly, I may very well say, oh, I'm great. There are certain facts and figures, proofs, which actually assert that I'm great. मेरे खाली great बोल देने से काम नहीं चलेगा. I will have to have certain things which show it to the recruiter that yes, I am a great worker. The second reason is a good resume does not guarantee success in the job. Yes, you heard it right. It might be heard shocking to you, but एक अच्छा CV, एक अच्छा resume बना लेने से ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपको नौकरी मिल जाए. बट एक बात गारंटीड है कि उस नौकरी के इंटरव्यू के लिए आपको ज़रूर बुला लिया जाए. आगे क्या होगा वो सब आपकी काबिलियत पे, स्किल्स पे निर्भर करता है. बट इमेजिन इफ यू आर नॉट गिवन अ चांस even to face that interview, that would be very disappointing. So if you really want to face that interview, you have to prepare a strong and impressive CV and resume. The third aspect, the third reason for which we say we need to have good vocabulary in our CV and resume is that your recruiters also get bored by the same monotonous, same kind of CVs and resumes. एक ही एक तरह के डॉक्यूमेंट को वो पूरे दिन भर असेस करते हैं. हम उन्हें चकमा नहीं दे सकते. दे आर इजीली एबल टू आइडेंटिफाई आप क्या सच बोल रहे हैं, आप क्या झूठ बोल रहे हैं, आपने कौन सी चीज़ कॉपी करी है और कौन सी चीज़ आपने ओरिजिनली खुद लिखी है. इन माई ओन एक्सपीरियंस फॉर कंडक्टिंग वेरियस मॉक इंटरव्यूज, it is very easy because if there are 100 candidates, I can easily make out who has copied the same career objective, because if 20 career objectives are the same, it shows that this is a copied one. So do not commit that mistake. Pay full attention to your CV and resume. Look at the proper action words. Now the thing is, as I was telling you, आपके recruiters भी bore हो जाते हैं. ऐसे कौन से expressions हैं जो बार बार यूज किए जाते हैं एक CV में या resume में? People may say, I was in charge of something, I am a go-getter, I am responsible for something, I am an excellent worker. पर excellent बोलने से काम नहीं चलेगा. आपको अपने CV resume में दिखाना पड़ेगा through several action words that you are excellent. Similarly, I am very hard working. हो सकता है आप hard worker ना हो, आप smart worker हो. So you have to prove that. Strategic thinker, out of box, I'm very innovative, I think of new things, I specialize in something, I'm very creative, I'm result driven, I give you results, I'm a team player, I am detail oriented, मैं हर चीज़ को बड़े डिटेल से करता हूँ, I am focused, super great. इस तरह के कुछ expressions हैं which are like loudspeakers. Loudspeakers जब एक खुली जगह में चलते हैं, sometimes you just hear the sound, you just hear the noise, but आप समझ नहीं पाते कि वो loudspeaker क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं. So similarly, if your CV and resume is filled with this kind of junk, you are acting like a loudspeaker, where the details are missed by the recruiter. So what should we do? We need to look at the special attributes that your recruiters look for. क्या देखना चाहते हैं आपको select करने वाले लोग? Of course वो देखना चाहते हैं कि आप में responsibility है कि नहीं है. whether you are able to work on certain things, क्या आपने कभी किसी assignment पे काम किया है. They would like to know whether you have leadership qualities, क्या आप एक अच्छे लीडर साबित हो सकते हैं. Improved, क्या आपने किसी चीज़ को improve किया है. What is your communication style? Again, one of the things that we cannot get rid of. आपका communication style कैसा है, आपकी communication skills कैसी है. Creativity and problem solving, because life is itself a problem. If we do not have attributes to solve these problems, we cannot sail through this. Whether you are a team player, क्या आप में टीम वाला जज्बा है, क्या आप अपने आसपास के लोगों के साथ कंफर्टेबली काम कर सकते हैं. आर यू एन अचीवर और सिंपली अ वर्कर, क्या आप जो भी काम करते हैं उसमें कुछ अचीव कर पाते हैं या सिर्फ एक रूटीन फाइल वर्क ही निपटा पाते हैं. दैट इज व्हाट द रिक्रूटर्स वांट टू जज, एंड whether you are a good manager or not, whether have you ever managed certain things. So these are the qualities जो वो आपके अंदर देखना चाहते हैं. But this does not mean कि आप सीधे सीधे ये लिख दें और उस CV को या resume को उनके सामने present करें. What will happen? Again, that will be a very monotonous and overused expression presented to the recruiter and the people who have come to choose. What is the solution? Solution is हमें कुछ alternate ढूंढने पड़ेंगे. हमें सोचना पड़ेगा कि हम कैसे अपने CV और resume को impressive बनाएं. So the first thing is, हमने बात की थी responsible. Your recruiters want to know whether you are responsible or not. How can we change? So instead of describing yourself that you are responsible for a lot of things, give them proofs. You accomplished something. आपने कुछ काम लिया, उसको खत्म किया, उसकी सक्सेस अचीव करी. You acted as a team leader. You acted as a team player. What kind of a person were you when you working? Did you navigate through certain problems? कोई problem में फंसे और निकल गए. You partnered with people. So how did you work? You were responsible for a lot of things, but how did you perform your responsibility? इन सारे words की help से and with the help of exact description, you can say that you were responsible for things. Then we looked at worked on. Worked on को हम किन चीज़ों से replace कर सकते हैं? We can say I created something, I developed a project, I perfected in the responsibility that was given to me by raising the sales of the company. Exact description, detailed description. And set up. Did you set up anything? Then the next quality that your recruiters want to see in you is leadership. Leadership में did you delegate the responsibility? Leaders वो नहीं होते जो बस लोगों को direct करते हैं, dictate करते हैं. Leaders वो होते हैं जो लोगों से काम निकलवाना जानते हैं. And काम निकलवाने के लिए it is very important that we delegate, we distribute the responsibility. So you delegated the responsibility. You directed people to do certain things, you guided them, you facilitated. आपने कुछ उनके लिए साधन जुटाए, उनको कुछ opportunities provide करवाई, या आपने simply inspire किया और achieve किया. So ये सारे words भी आपकी leadership quality को ही दिखाते हैं. आगे बढ़ते हैं. We now want to see how did you improve something. So you integrated certain things. इंटीग्रेटेड मतलब मिलाना. आपने बहुत सारी चीज़ों को एक साथ जोड़ के कुछ ऐसा प्लान बनाया which helped the company grow faster. So you integrated, you raised the sales by 20%, you raised the performance of the people by 50%. So raised is an important thing. Then refined, did you improve certain thing by refining? उसको और बेहतर. So refine is a good synonym for improve. And strengthened, क्या आपने किसी चीज़ को मजबूती प्रदान करी? How did you strengthen? How did you strengthen the work capacity of your fellow mates? How did you strengthen the motivation of your fellow mates? That all matters. Then communication. So if you say, oh, I am a good communicator, it's not sufficient. There are several ways in which I can prove that I am a good communicator. I have authored certain things, मतलब कुछ आपने बनाया, कुछ लिखा. You composed things, you composed the profile of your company, or you influenced people. Influence आप तभी कर सकते हैं जब आप में अच्छी communication skills हैं. And you moderated. So did you conduct certain programs? Did you moderate certain programs? These will show automatically that you are a good communicator. The second aspect is creativity and problem solving. आप कैसे बताएंगे that you have creativity and attributes of solving problems? कहने से काम नहीं चलेगा. We will have to look for certain options. So, did you design something? Did you draft something? क्या आपने किसी चीज़ को enhance किया और सुधारा और बढ़ाया? And did you resolve anything? So, resolving, enhancing, drafting, designing, these are some synonyms which show that you are creative and you have attributes of problem solving. Team player. Ironically, your recruiters want to see you as a team player, but they don't want to see the word team player. इस टीम प्लेयर को हमें किसी और तरीके से बताना पड़ेगा. कैसे? हम कह सकते हैं we assimilated, लोगों को मिलाया आपने, collaborated, लोगों के साथ काम किया, join किया लोगों को, then you volunteered. कॉलेज में बहुत सारे इवेंट्स होते हैं, so you volunteered. आप अपने आप से गए, आपने अपना नाम दिया और काम किया. So that shows that you have worked in a team. And you diversified. कुछ अलग diversity को आपने deal किया. So that is also one of the synonyms that can be used. Now they want to see you an achiever in you. So are you an achiever? How will you prove that? You may say that I accomplished something, I delivered something, I maximized something. They wanted results from you and you maximized something. आपने किसी चीज़ को बढ़ा दिया, maybe double, triple. So you have maximized the potential, you have maximized the profit, anything, accelerated. कोई चीज़ बड़ी धीमी धीमी चल रही थी, आपने उसकी स्पीड को एकदम स्मूथ बना दिया, आपने उसकी स्पीड को बढ़ा दिया. So you have also contributed as an achiever. And finally, managed. How did you manage? See, they want to see you as a manager. Manager not in the literal terms, but as a person who's responsible, who's a leader, who's a team player, who also has a vision how to do things. So these things can be achieved and written with the help of words like I mobilized, I aligned. सब चीज़ें बिखरी हुई थी, हमने इसको एक लाइन में, एक डायरेक्शन में अलाइन कर दिया. You regulated certain things and you enabled certain things. So, कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ रुकी हुई थी जिसको आपने ठीक किया और आगे बढ़ाया, और किसी भी प्रॉब्लम को आपने सॉल्व किया, then also you may say that you have managed. But the synonyms are just a few here. It's a vast sea. आप जितना पढ़ते जाएंगे उतना ही आपको पता चलता जाएगा that it is a vast sea and it's very simple to improve your CV and resume. Here we are going to give you only one sample, one example. The idea is to instill that vision in you that CV and resumes are very important documents, and if you really want to excel, you will have to work hard. So I'm sure you will be able to work hard, and with this promise, I'm signing off for today. Thank you so much. We'll meet again.